whining entrance planned, okay? Are you ready for it?
Yes. This is my this is my dance. Look.
Look, let me see you dance. The dainty dance.
The skirt's too short, you know, so we have to do the little Hey!
Hi, honey.
Today was supposed to be Flashback Fridays, but we didn't get our good song that we're going to bring out. But that's okay, because next time we will get you. Welcome to Daytime Live. It's Friday. And we have a special guest with us today. Her name is Sonique.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hi, I miss you.
I know, I actually miss you guys too, but I watch you guys.
Right.
Yes,
right,
so,
right.
you know, I'm up to speed with a few things and the little shenanigans that you're going on
How
with.
do you feel about Joel's hair or lack thereof? It's
Look
not
here.
yellow or orange or... How do you feel about that?
Listen, Joel, I look forward to what Joel is going to do each time.
Right.
So I'm waiting to see after this phase that he's going through to see what he's going to do next.
Right.
I think we need to catch up. What are we going to do to our hair?
No, but I think we're up already. We don't need no change.
No, we're good?
We're good, man. And
Okay.
Craig is still, there's been no other proposals
by
on the
way,
show.
Craig is off the island right now,
Yes.
you know, working on a big
doing
project.
amazing
We're so
things.
proud of you, Craigie. We know you're watching us
Yes.
online right now. Woohoo!
Yes, and Duffy as well. You know, Duffton is too busy for us all. But you know, all is well. Girl Power Friday. I am here for it. And you know, we're talking about so many things right now. Guys, don't forget to connect with us on our social media, Instagram and Twitter. Okay, or our handle is at TVJ_Daytime Live. But on Facebook, our handle is at TVJ Daytime Live. Just go at TVJ Daytime Live and you'll find us. Leave us a comment. What do you think of Sonique's hair? Yes, yes, yes. What do you think? Let us know.
I really missed you, you know.
I know,
Your
right?
drama.
Just
All right, and if you want to be a part of our wonderful show, you can join us here in studio, be a part of the studio audience. Go to televisionjamaica.com, get listed, or just come to 32 Lyndhurst Road.
And,
it's an open door
it's an
policy
open
to
door
get you in here,
policy.
you know. Yeah.
But if that's a lot for you, you can just call us as well. What's the number?
926-1100, but remember the 876 now. Before.
926-11-888. 926-11-00.
I think I'm the only one who jumps in with your little foolishness.
I know, I love it.
Yeah.
That's why we love you. It's a girl thing. But I wanted to say as well, we're talking about Joel's various different color hair and stuff like that. Catch back episodes via onespotmedia.com, or you can search Daytime Live on YouTube and see what's up.
TVJ. Yeah,
Yeah.
live. Okay,
All right,
so
let's get buzzing.
So first up, Jamaica's senior women's football team will take the field at the National Stadium right here in Kingston this Sunday, May 19, because we are playing Panama in an international friendly. And this is all happening like less than 3 weeks before we actually take on Brazil in the Women's World Cup on June 9. So guess what? We need all the support. We need to rally up. We need to support our girls. We need to support the Reggae Girls. You can get your tickets for the match that's happening on May 19. Reggae Girls versus Panama. Go online, gustazos.com, and you can get tickets also at pharmacies island-wide. Okay, we need to go and support the girls. Dress up in your colors, your Jamaican colors. Wear your Jamaica jerseys. Wear your Jamaica shirts. May 19, make sure you have your flags. Put them on the car, inside the car. Let us show some real Jamaican support for our Reggae Girls. As a matter of fact, right now they're doing a courtesy call. It's a particular hotel in Kingston. Yeah. Yes, I know where they are. You know, if you want the details, just link me right now. I'll tell you. We're in Kingston. They are right now.
Okay. Oh, guys, so a topic that's near and dear to both of us as women has been blowing up in the news as strict anti-abortion laws spread across the U.S. Pro-choice Americans are organizing on multiple fronts to protect women's access to abortions, from local women's rights groups boasting record donations to high-powered national organizations planning legal actions and electoral strategies to economic boycotts of states passing of laws. Now, the strictest of the recent laws, an outright ban in Alabama that would make providing an abortion a felony punishable by prison. And that was signed into law by the state's governor KIV on Wednesday. It is just one measure in a wave of social conservative efforts designed to challenge Roe v. Wade, the Supreme Court ruling that legalized abortion across the U.S. in 1973. Already, however, in 2019, Ohio, Georgia, Kentucky, and Mississippi have passed bans outlawing abortions once cardiac activity is detected as early as 6 weeks and before many women even know that they are pregnant. At least 9 other states are considering such bans. Sanique, what is going on in America?
Why you have to call my name? Do I live in America?
I'm just saying.
I live in America.
But Jamaica has legalized abortion too. So what's going on?
What's going on in America? They're making their own decisions based on, I suppose, what they think is best.
What the men think is best for the women.
By the way, Kay, the governor of Alabama, is a female, you know. Yeah, so whatever is going on in that country for each state, they're making those decisions for the benefit of their citizens, okay? Right. What is going on in America? I'm not sure. On the whole topic of abortion, though, you want to take me there?
Yes, I do.
I know you want to take me there.
I know what she has to say, so go ahead, girl, tell them.
All right, let's put it this way. For me, it's a personal choice. I'm neither for or against. I have no judgment. So if it is that you choose that this is what you want to do for whatever reason you choose it, you might know the consequences that come. That's your choice. The truth is, I just feel like it's up to the person. So even if you ban it, people are still going to find a way to do it. Doctors will still do it. Women will still do it. I think I'd have to go deeper into the why. I know a lot of it is also religious reasons. The belief about, you know, it's actually still murder because there's cardiac activity. I don't even get into all of that. For me, every decision you make is a personal choice between you and whichever God you believe in. I'm good. I will know what I want to decide. That's my personal choice. No judgment.
Yeah, I like that. I don't really have much more to add to that. I think that's great, and I think that's factual. My other thing is that women don't get pregnant on their own either. So the fact that this becomes an issue that women are like affronted by is like, well, the abortion thing. What about the guys? Like, I'm not aborting my baby. I'm aborting.
Who sometimes pays for it.
You were there, you know. Like, what do you have to say, men? Like, what's your take on it?
That would be interesting to hear what the men think. The men are probably going to say, voice up to her.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're probably going to do that, voice up to her.
And a lot of, I'm not even going to go to that side of it. You know, the naughty side that causes trouble. I'm not going to cause trouble today.
Wait until we're in the break. So, the Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, is seeking to actually put our fares to rest concerning the safety of their buses following an incident on Wednesday night where one of its units caught fire. So the bus was reportedly on Hope Road and was coming from downtown Kingston, using the route of Mountain View Avenue, and then somewhere along that line, the back of the bus just caught fire, and it was actually noted by the passengers, and then the driver of the bus tried to grab the extinguisher, rush out, put the fire out, and then the entire bus just caught flames. You can actually see some of the pictures now on screen. So the company's corporate communications manager, Cessa Toms, in a statement this morning, said that the buses, as a matter of course, are routinely serviced and maintained. And we don't expect any difference. So thank you for that. So our drivers, he continued, are also trained to ensure that they disembark passengers as a matter of priority, thank goodness, in treating these issues when they arise. But what is interesting, though, is I'm told there was no major damage to the engine or something.
Was that the picture of the bus though?
I hope that's not the bus.
Oh, that's not another bus.
I said the engine though. Okay, the engine.
The engine is safe.
Yeah,
the bus may look like this, but the engine is preserved. Everybody, that is
engine good,
amazing. But I'm just saying, the engine is safe, people. The bus not so safe, but the engine is good. But I'm just saying that's not the first one I've heard about, and I don't think it's the second in the last couple of years or the third.
About 3 in the past, maybe a couple months right now. But just remember, they're routinely serviced and the
drivers, the conductors know
where
the extinguishers are.
Okay, and they know where the extinguishers are. So yeah, okay. just say a prayer every time. What do you do to drive your own car or go on a bus? Say your prayer.
I am just saying. Lots and lots are happening in our wonderful island of Jamaica, but we have more awesomeness coming up for you. We have more Buzz Daytime Live. We'll be right back with some great news from DJ Khaled, Movado. Yo, it's all happening.
And a funny video.
A funny video. Join us after the break.
Woohoo!